G'day everyone, I'm Jodie from Stay at Home Mum. It's coming towards that time of the year, not only Christmas but gifts to get for our teachers because school's only got a couple of weeks left. I went to Woolworths this morning and this is just a small arrangement of a couple of things that I bought. I'm thinking of giving the boys' teachers this year. The first one, and my favourite, the gingerbread house. Not only are they only $10, but you could give them to your favourite teacher just like this wrapped up, or you can pre-make it, because it's a beautiful gift, all pre-made, wrap some cellophane around it, it'd be really, really cute. Another one is practical gifts like your Christmas puddings and your brandy snaps, which are really, really yummy and they're going to use anyway. If you're not skilled in making gingerbread houses, you can get one pre-made. I really like this adorable little one here, it's super cute. Don't even have to wrap it, it's just gorgeous. And this is another one of my favourite. This is one of the gold spice gingerbread puddings. There's lots of flavours, but this one's my favourite. So when they receive it, they know, oh, it's beautiful, it's really thoughtful, but also it's yummy and something that they can use at Christmas dinner this year. So just a little bit of stuff to think about for Christmas, and end of school's not far away.